Egypt's Red Sea is home to about 5% of the world's coral reefs. The diversity of species here make the Red Sea reefs a key tourist attraction for divers and habitat for fish nurseries. And while many of the world's reefs now face a crisis due to climate change and human activity, Egypt's corals seem to be adapting better than corals elsewhere, suffering from fewer bleaching events. Let's take a look at why. 14% of the world's coral on reefs was lost between 2009 and 2018. That's according to the Global Coral Reef Monitoring Network. It cites climate change, tourism, overfishing, and coastal construction as the main culprits. Vibrantly coloured coral expel their algae and turn white in bleaching events, caused by just a 1 to 2 degrees Celsius rise in ocean temperatures. But so far, Egypt's corals seem to be coping better than corals elsewhere due to more marked seasonal changes. That's according to marine biologist Mahmoud Hassan Hanafi of Suez University.
The temperature in summer versus winter in the northern part can vary by 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. So in comparison to corals in tropic areas where the temperature remains stable and there are no seasons, the corals in Egypt are much more experienced in dealing with the temperature changes.
But the Red Sea reefs face other threats too. Boat anchors can damage coral, building work on the shore can foul the waters, and scuba divers can get too close. The area sees up to 9 million dives across more than 250 spots each year. Conservation group Hurghada Environmental Protection and Conservation Association has installed more buoys along the coast to prevent boats from dropping anchors that can destroy corals. The group also hopes to relieve pressure on some coral reefs by sinking boats to create alternative diving spots. Mustafa Abdallah heads up the mooring project for the group.
عندنا معضلة، احنا عاوزين عدد السياح يزيد لكن الكباستي بتاع المكان محدود.
We have a dilemma. We want to increase the number of tourists, but the capacity of the place is limited to the available coral reefs. So, the Hurghada Environmental Protection and Conservation Association has proposed the creation of new diving spots, made of wreckage from the old Egyptian military, in order to lessen the load of the diving on the corals.
أماكن جديدة، ده يقلل شوية على الحمل على الشعاب.
Marine biologists say protecting the Red Sea reefs should be one of the main priorities for local authorities, as they are vital for attracting tourists and supporting livelihoods.
In Egypt, we have coral reefs that will be some of the last remaining in the world, which means it will give hope for humanity that a unique ecosystem like this remains alive as a humanitarian and cultural legacy on planet Earth. Its importance is not exclusive to Egypt or the region, but it's global. It's related to the resources of mankind on Earth. The responsibility of its protection is not only for Egypt, but for the whole world.